My name is Amolak Sharma and I have a science background. My personal experience when I gave JIPMAT, I felt that it really tested you on your fundamentals. And I had a few friends who had the science background, but they couldn't clear the cutoff. I feel that the JIPMAT exam doesn't check whether you're from a science, commerce, or a humanities background. Anyone can crack this exam, provided your fundamentals are very strong. Now the question is, how do you work upon your fundamentals? I believe it's by giving as many mocks as you can, and it's not just the number of mocks that you give, it's how you introspect and check in which areas you lack upon, and you work upon them as much as you can. It's also very important for you to not rest your hopes at a particular score, and I request you please don't look at the previous year cutoffs as they might mislead you. My final message for everyone out there would be to give your 100% no matter what, and I'll end it with a quote: shoot for the moon and you'll land among the stars. And I'm looking forward to meeting you all at this beautiful campus at IIM. Thank you.